Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica, guys. Love Simple Cooking TV. Pray that you all are doing well. So guys, this is a silent video with only the music behind because we're frying some fish for our wedding. And so guys, as I videoed the process of what we were doing. So these fish was washed clean and washed with lemon and vinegar, and they were put in the freezer for cooking. And so here guys, I'm frying the fish. So guys, this video is just a silent video, so watch the process. Please comment, subscribe and share, and thank you so much guys. Please subscribe guys, like and comment guys. I would really appreciate your support in growing, and so thank you so much. So right here guys, the fried fish. I'm frying the fish guys, and later on in the video guys, you're gonna see where we were doing some jerk chicken. So some of my brother-in-law was getting married, so we were doing some fried fish and jerk chicken for his wedding. So guys, just watch the process guys, and take care of yourself until next time. And remember that Jesus loves you, and I do too. Take care of yourself until next time, and walk good.